Hello and welcome to the lecture of displaying the records. So let's create another folder. Okay, I'll copy this, paste it here, and let's open this up. Okay, so now we are trying to fetch the records. Okay, so all the things that we are writing, we have to write inside this block. Okay, for this we need a query. Okay, so we have to write a query here. So it's select asterisk from student. So we have written this in the PDO. I'm going to open that up. Right, we have the query here. We'll use the same query so that we don't make spelling mistakes in writing the table names and field names. Okay, so you have your select query ready. So how do you call that query, right? How do you execute that query? So for that we'll say result. You have your DB, you just query it. You query the query statement. Okay, once it is done, then you try to write a while loop to iterate. We have written it already. I'm going to use this. Okay, so instead of statement we use result, and we'll say fetch underscore associate. Okay, this is how you do it in MySQL. All right, so it's very simple and straightforward, and whatever we learned in PDO is almost the same. Okay, so if you go back, you go to second folder, and then you do index.php, and you're able to see the records now. And if you run this on the web page, I'm going to go to that folder. Alright, so we are able to display the records here with MySQL. Okay, so this is, we are using a different library called MySQL to connect to the database and fetch the records as well. Okay, so that's all about fetching the records. Let's look at insert, update and delete.